Hello everyone, this is Unity Edu Consult. In our last video, which was lesson 4, we talked about how to create WBS in Primavera P6. In this video, we are going to learn how to create activities. So I'll come over to the projects we've been working on. These are the activities we are going to create. As you can see, it is well arranged. So let's move over to Primavera P6. I'm going to open the project. I'll right click. I'll click on open project. Yeah, here is it. So the first step, I will click on the WBS I want to create the activity under. Do you understand? So the first activity you are about to create is under project initiation. So I'll click on it. I'll come over to my right hand side. You see the icon that has a plus sign. Then I'll click on it. It says add. I'll click on it once. So when you click on add, you see this wizard on your screen right now. So I'll just go ahead and click on finish, because I'll still edit it from here. I'll come over here. As you can see, the first activity ID is CF1000. So I'll come over to Primavera P6 and I will type in CF1000. The name of this activity is Project Start. It is a milestone activity, so Project Start has 0 duration. I'm going to click on add again to add the second activity. Click on add. Yeah, as you can see, Primavera P6 just arranged the activity for me. This is how I want it to be. As you can see, the activity ID, it says CF1010. So I just want to keep it like that. So I'll come over here and I'll copy the second activity, which says site mobilization. I'll copy it. It has 4 days duration. I'll paste it here and I'll put 4 here. If you don't want to be clicking add all the time, you can just press insert on your keyboard and it will automatically create a new activity for you. So we are going to do that right now. I'll just click on insert on my keyboard. Can you see? Yeah, so we have our new activities right now. So we have 4 activities under project initiation. So I'll click insert to bring another one again. Yeah, so now I'll just go ahead and edit the activity names and duration. So let's go ahead and copy. So now let's go and copy the name of the third activity. The third activity says environmental and traffic permit, and it has 6 days duration. I'll paste it here. So the fourth activity under the first WBS is temporary office setup. So I'll copy it. It has 3 days duration. I'll paste it here. 3 days duration. So we are done with project initiation WBS right there. So we are going to move over to the second WBS now. Click on add. I'll copy the activity ID. I'll paste it here. CF1040. The activity name says excavation for foundation parts. I'll copy it. It has 8 days duration. Click on insert. I'll copy the activity name, reinforcement and form work. It has 6 days duration as well. Six days duration. I'll copy the activity's name, I'll paste it here. Then I'll add the last activity under substructure works WBS. I'll add it. It says foundation coring, so I'll copy it like this. I'll paste it. It has 7 days duration. Yeah, so as we can see, we've added activities on the first WBS and we've added activities on the second WBS as well. So this is how to add your activities in Primavera P6. In our next video, I'll show us how to link activities and I'll explain relationships in Primavera P6 as well. Thanks for watching this video. Please, if you found this video helpful, like the video, drop a comment, please drop a feedback. It will really help us a lot, and share it with your friends and co-workers. Thank you very much. Bye bye.